Okay, so I'm on this Duke 390, and this thing feels freaking sick. Woo, buddy. This thing is just lightweight. Holy cow. For a 390, this thing feels so good. Woo! Yeah, so this is my dad's bike. Bought it a few months ago. It's used. I think it's 2018 or 2019. But I've been waiting to get my hands on it for a while. I have a KLX 300, and I've really grown to love these small displacement bikes. And this one is just so small. I mean, I'm flat-footed right now. Holy cow. It has way more torque than I thought it would have, that's for sure. It feels like, to me it feels like almost like a V-twin or something with how it pulls. Try like a little roll on in second. Good brakes. Yeah, I think I could get used to having one of these around for sure. We'll stop off up here and get a quick look at it. This thing would sound mean with an exhaust too. Yeah, it does feel really, really small. I mean, it doesn't have a lot of torque down low, but once you get it to about 6, it freaking yanks. And first gear is way more intense than I thought. I mean, this thing will just lift it up, no problem at first. Too bad I'm not in Georgia. I'm in Texas right now. Just a bunch of flat concrete, but Georgia could really give this thing a true run. Yeah, so this is what this thing looks like. It's really, really cool. I think he did a tail tidy and then the mirrors, which really tightened up the look of the bike. Probably get rid of the passenger pegs if it were me. And then I think it would be completely done. It's got kind of a cool belly pan and some graphics that I don't really see on a lot of them. This Yoshi sticker, and I think the exhaust is just a factory exhaust, but could use a Yoshi pipe. That would be great. And then the TFT display is really nice. It even tells you if you have your side stand down. It's got ABS and everything like that, but I don't really use that. I don't think he really uses that very much. It's just right down low. It kind of lacks a little bit, but once it ges up and spinning, so if I just floor it, it takes a minute or a second. Yeah, I would abuse this bike if I had it. I just can't get over how small this bike feels. It is. Cruising feels just fine. Higher speeds, let's go like 70 maybe. Yeah, this is fine too. It's probably hard to hear me, but yeah, I don't know how much horsepower this bike has. I think it's like 40, but I mean, it feels like more to me. And I think when you look at reviews of the Duke next to, you know, the MT-03 and some of the other bikes, I think it tops all of them in the horsepower, or at least torque or something. Yeah. Woo! Sounds pretty good. Very stable, very planted. It's weird being on a dual sport, and obviously that bike has so many advantages. You can go off-road with it, but when you ride a bike that's suited for the street after riding a dual sport for so long, it feels like so much more comfortable and stable. All right. See if we can do 0 to 60 run. I think I hit the rev limiter there, but it's a pretty good start for, you know, not being super familiar with the bike. This turn is really fun, but it's always kind of sandy, so you can't really get after it like you want. Lots of gravel and sand on it, unfortunately. All right, one more. I stayed off the rev limiter that time, so that's good. I'm gonna do another one because I'm having a good time, and I want to keep having a good time. I don't know if you need to be going faster than that on the street. Oh yeah, feels nice. What do we got here? We got like a cop or something like that? Yeah, maybe. I think he's just checking out, seeing what's going on. Get out of here. I don't feel like dealing with that. Yeah, I see why this is winning all of the head-to-head competitions in the lightweight naked bike, because it just feels like it's got so much more power, and it's just so easy to handle. I mean, I've never ridden this bike before, and I jumped on it and I felt like I was at home. Very windy here. I got a visor on my helmet, and it is giving me a lot of trouble going south. Oh geez. You can't tell, but I mean, it's trying to twist my helmet off my head, which is not fun. Yeah, this is where this bike is a lot of fun. In second gear, like 6,000-7,000. Woo! heard the back wheel lock up a little bit when I was downshifting. Let's do like maybe a 40 to 60 in third. Glad my wallet, my keys are still in my pocket. That's good. I think I might feel a little cramped on the bike. My dad might be an inch or shorter than me. Maybe it doesn't bother him that much. I'm not uncomfortable. I just feel like if I was on it for an hour, then I would might start feeling a little bit uncomfortable after some time. Yeah, this is a great bike. I would like to have one. It's weird to drive it slow. Like, you never really feel like you want to drive it slow. You're always wanting to floor it everywhere. But it does feel comfortable just to cruise along, low revs. If you really want to move, you just click it down a couple gears. This person's not even looking at all. The fit and finish of the bike, they look okay. I mean, it's not like I had a Triumph in the past, and that thing kind of felt a little bit more put together. But I can't say that this isn't poorly put together. I know it's one of the cheapest KTM motorcycles. It might be the cheapest KTM motorcycle that you can buy, period. And I know they're not all assembled in Austria or wherever they do them, but it still sounds good and feels solid. I think this bike would definitely make you a better rider, because I've been riding bikes for a while, and I think the power is super fun, but it's not so scary. I mean, the power is awesome, but it doesn't scare me. First gear is a little bit crazy because you can just power wheeling. But if you stay on the front end, then it won't pull up, I don't think. Everything just feels really tight and easy to do. Even this corner, I'm kind of leaning more than I would on a bike that I'm brand new to, but this one feels great, so this guy should have gone a long time ago. Jeez. Yeah, buddy. Well, that thing's about as fun as it could be.